What do monkeys love to eat? Not mashed potatoes. Who said that? A stinky shoe? Ew, no. Monkeys love bananas. Ring, ring, ring. Hello? Who is this? A monkey? How did you get this phone number? Lumi gave it to you? Okay. Oh, you were calling to tell us what you like to eat. Got it. Bananas? Well, you're in luck, because we're about to make chocolate banana monsters. Oh, you never heard of that before? Okay, well, I'm about to teach you how to make one. Bye. Okay, so we've got all of our ingredients here. We've got chocolate or chocolate. We have peanut butter, yum yum, sprinkles, and our super silly ingredient, eyeballs. Okay, now friends, I have to tell you, if you don't eat peanut butter, can you use cookie butter? Yeah, almond butter, sunflower butter? Yes, you can use all these different types of spreads. So it's not just for peanut butter. I just had peanut butter at my house. Okay, so let's get started here. First things first, let's cut the banana. All right, I'm just gonna cut straight into it. And don't worry, I already rinsed this banana off. Okay, and now we're gonna cut another slice here. So we've got our first banana slice, but we need two. So we need to make another one. Slice it. And I can smell the banana. Smell it. Banana smells so good. Okay, and now I'm going to peel these little slices here. Oh, you know what's a fun fact about what we're doing here? This knife is a kid-friendly knife. So it's really important if we're ever helping our families cook that we're using safe materials. And even if this is a kid-friendly knife, did you know that kids should still only use it when a grown-up's around? Okay, so we've got our 2 banana slices. Delicious. Next, we are going to put the peanut butter in the middle and kind of make like a peanut butter sandwich. And did I mention that this recipe is pretty messy, so buckle up. Or as my toddler likes to say, buckle up, buttercup. Okay, so now we got our little peanut butter sandwich here, and now we're gonna cover it in chocolate. So we've got our potassium in the bananas. We've got our protein in the peanut butter and our antioxidants in the chocolate. So while this is a delicious snack, it's also nutritious. Okay, now sprinkles. We won't talk about the nutritional value of sprinkles, but hey, they are pretty to look at. Okay, sprinkle it up, friends. Sprinkle it up, sprinkle it up, sprinkle it up. Okay, now all we're gonna do is put on 2 eyeballs. Look at these hilarious little eyeballs. This is candy. Can you believe that? These are candy eyeballs. But let me tell you, if you have a little one at home, like under the age of 3, be careful with these candy eyeballs because they're pretty hard. It's like a hard candy. And you know what? Let me get a new one. This one got covered in chocolate. I just don't want anyone to have any choking or anything like that. So if you have a little one at home, just be careful with these eyeballs. Okay. Do you love our chocolate monster? I love it too! Friends, what colors do you see in the sprinkles? I see pink and white and blue and yellow and green. I love it. Oh wow, I cannot wait to eat it. The next step is we have to put this in the freezer. 1 hour later. They're done. Okay. Hello, my little chocolate monsters. Hello, Miss Julie. Hey, Miss Julie.
Hey, Miss Julie.
How was your experience in the freezer? To be honest, I really thought the accommodations could have been a little bit better.
Really? What was wrong with the freezer? It was freezing in there.
Oh, really?
I liked it. I like cold temperatures.
Oh, okay. Well, guys, I'm so happy you're here because we want to eat you! Very good. Banana, peanut butter, chocolate. You know what it tastes like? Ice cream. It's so delicious. I love it. Pretty good. Pretty good. Are kids allowed to jump on the bed? No. Are grown-ups allowed to jump on the bed? No. What about grandmas and grandpas? No. What about monkeys? Well, we're about to find out what happens when monkeys jump on the bed. I see the 5 little monkeys here. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And it's their bedtime. Let's jump on the bed. No, you can't. We're gonna do it. No. 5 little monkeys jumping on the bed. 1 fell off. Boop. Ow. Bye. And boop. Bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. How many monkeys are left? We got 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you monkeys better listen to your mama. No. What? You need to listen to your mama. She said no more jumping on the bed. We're gonna do it. No, monkeys, you have to listen to your mama because then you're gonna bump your head. 4 little monkeys jumping on the bed. 1 fell off. Boop. And bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. How many monkeys are left here? We've got 1, 2, 3. 3 monkeys. Uh-oh. That means that 2 bumped their heads. Now you monkeys better listen to your mama. We really want to jump on the bed though. No, you can't jump on the bed. You can't. The doctor said no more monkeys jumping on the bed. 3 little monkeys jumping on the bed. 1 fell off and boop. Ooh, ow! Bumped her head. Oh no. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. Oh boy. These monkeys are not listening. They keep jumping on the bed. How many monkeys are left now? We've got 1, 2. Now you 2 monkeys better be good and listen to your mama and not jump on the bed. No. What? Excuse me? We said no, we're gonna keep jumping on the... 2 little monkeys jumping on the bed. 1 fell off and... Ow! Bumped her head. Are you okay? Kinda not really. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. Okay, now you, my last monkey, I think you gotta listen to your mama. Now I got like more space on the bed just for me to jump. Well, that's really not a good reason. 1 little monkey jumping on the bed. She fell off and whoa! Boom! Ow! Bumped her head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. Now, friends, should monkeys jump on the bed? No!
Baby baboons bouncing on that beat. Baby baboons bouncing on that beat. Hey! Bounce, 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 bouncing on that beat. Hey! Bounce, 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 bouncing on that beat. Bounce, 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 bounce. They're bouncing on that beat just like this. Baby baboons banging on the drums.
Hey.
Baby baboons banging on the drums.
Hey.
Bang, 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 banging on the drums.
Hey.
Bang, 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 banging on the drums. Bang, 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 bang. They're banging on the drums just like this. Hey! Baby baboons take a bubble bath.
Hey.
Baby baboons take a bubble bath.
Hey.
Bubble, 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 bubble bath.
Hey.
Bubble, 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 bubble bath. Bubble bath, bubble bath. They take a bubble bath just like this. Hey! Baby baboons bake banana bread.
Hey.
Baby baboons bake banana bread.
Hey.
Bake, 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 bake banana bread.
Hey.
Bake, 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 bake banana bread. Bake, 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 bake. They bake banana bread just like this. Hey! Baby baboons go bananas.
Hey.
Baby baboons go bananas.
Hey.
Bananas.
Hey.
Bananas. Bananas. They go bananas just like this. Hey! We love the letter B. Baboons, B. We love the letter B. Baboons, B. We love the letter B. Baboons, B. We love the letter B. Baboons, B.
What's Miss Julie drawing today? Let's find out. First, we're gonna draw a circle. A nice big circle. But leave a little opening at the top for some hair. Next, we're gonna draw 2 big ears. 1, 2. Any guesses on what Miss Julie's drawing? Okay, next we're gonna draw the face. Now we need a smile. And a nose. And 2 cute eyes. Oh, I love it! Can you tell what I'm drawing now? I'll give you a hint. It starts with an M. And this animal goes, ooh, ooh, ah, ah, ooh, ooh, ah, ah. Yeah, it's a monkey. Here's its arms and hands. Here's its legs and feet. And its body. That's a pretty cute monkey, don't you agree? Now we need to write M is for monkey. I'll do it right here. M is for monkey. M-O-N-K-E-Y. Monkey. Okay, what should we do next to make our drawing look extra special? Yeah, let's paint it. Friends, we did it! We painted a monkey. M is for, say it with me, monkey! Don't forget to hit subscribe and make sure to search for Miss Julie's World anytime on YouTube, Spotify, or Apple Music. Thanks for learning with me.